solar powered Helium 5G miner. It's kind of interesting, right? Well, let's see that in the market, what we find in the Helium miner is a typical box, which we'll put indoor, right? They have outdoor box also, but they never consider the power part. This is the typical problem that we face in other area, like the network part, like the CCTV part. There's the providers only consider their own part. They never consider the whole solution. So the Helium miner is the same thing, because you have, at the beginning you deploy in the city, right? But in the end, gradually the target is to explore, expand the network to all of the world. There's a lot of places in the rural area. There are a lot of places, the coverage, you don't have power there. So you have to provide the solar power to it. On the other hand, you have to consider the uplink, right? So, well, compare with the 5G technology, the future ambition of the 5G technology is to provide a connected world to everywhere, to the whole world. Then, finally, you need a device is merged with 5G technology, merged with the solar technology, and work as a Helium miner. That things we already have. And also we make a 4G version for our customer. Well, this is typical job we do right now. I explained in previous videos that we're like a outdoor DIY computer integrator, let's say. So works just like a computer integrator, and we can help integrate different technology in your scenario. In the end, give it to you is a standard product. So yes, come to us, and if you are interested in this 5G Helium miner, we can provide help for the whole solution. Okay.